Hello guys, myself Sandesh Fortunani. Here I am back with the new topic, that is how to configure Solr in your Drupal site. So let's download the Solr first. So from this link you can download Solr. So right now the 6.3 something version is going on, but Drupal is not providing the configuration settings for 6.3. They are providing for settings for 3.x, 4.x and 5.x. So I am going to download 5.1 here. So from this link you can I am going to download this Solr 5.1.0.zip. So once you download it completed, you can put this in any directory, and just you need to extract this and keep that on that location. Also you need Java, because Solr is running on Java base. So maybe you need Java 1.8 version. So if you don't have, you just download and configure its path directories and that everything is working or not. So once you configure this, let's download the modules. So you just need to the module, that is search API, Solr search and search API. You can also download the search API, autocomplete, search API, grouping and many other modules related to the Solr. So let's enable this module. So from this I am going to enable Solr search and search API. You can see that I have already also downloaded these modules, other modules, which I am going to give you the explanation in later on videos. So let's configure this module, search API. When you click on this link configure, then you will find this screen. So in this screen you can see the server index, add index link. So before we are doing indexing for any kind of content, so we just have to start the Solr. So let's start the Solr first. So from CMD, I just put this on this location. You just have to go to bin directory, then you just have to write command Solr start and press enter. So once the Solr start, so here my Solr is start now. So my Solr is providing this URL. So let's copy this. Once you copy this URL, I am going to paste in my browser. So you can see the admin panel of the Solr. So this is it. From this you have to create a core. Okay, to create a core you just have to go to your search API Solr module, that is this module. From this module you just have to go to the Solr conf, and right now I already told you that Solr providing 3.x, 4.x and 5.x related data. So I am going to copy this all conf, and I am going to paste in the Solr. There I have already, I put this in server Solr. I just created new directory, that is Drupal and conf. In conf I already paste these things. Once you paste these all things, you just have to create core from here. Core admin, add core. You just have to give the name that I have given the Drupal and add core. Once you create the code, you will find screen that you have successfully created the code, because this thing will provide you the queries, indexing and XML, from where you can give the proper indexing of your data. So once you create this all things, let's create the server in Drupal admin. Okay, so from this screen I am going to create a server. So let's create server. I am going to give the name that is Solr demo. So the description, Solr demo. Then you just have to select the Solr services. Once you select this, you will see the screen localhost, that is the port. This is the enabled port of your Solr and the directory. Then let's see the what is the basic HTTP configuration, username, password. So this thing is required for when you host your site on server. So right now I'm leave it blank. In advance, yes, this thing is required for me to debug my all the logs and retrieve results, highlight results. I'm not going to schema verification, so I'm going to click check on these things also, and yeah, it's perfect. Let's create it. Once you create, you will find the screen that you have successfully created, and that's it. This things. Now when you create this, let's come back to the search API. You can see this Solr server. Solr couldn't be reached. So for that we just have to go to edit again. When you click on edit, that the one thing that we missed here, that is after Solr we have to write Drupal, the directory name that we have created in our code. Okay, so when you click on save, now you will see this, that okay, and when you click on search API again, the Solr server could be reached. Okay, this is it guys. So I hope now you get understand that how to configure search API Solr and how to create core in your Solr. So in next video I'm going to show you that is how to create search filters. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you very much guys. Bye bye.